qui est arrêté, tu vois. C'est quelque chose qui est surface, en fait.
This is actually a phantom of a phantom.
Yes. But here, I think that the problem is you are always interested in this, and when you are drawing, this is working very well because you have something that stops, like this. It's an arrest of a situation that cannot be, like you do in the drawings. But I think that when you are in front of something concrete like clay, this becomes quickly another kind of problem because clay is there. Clay is there. It's there. The volume is there. The material is there, and you can throw all the colors you want on it. It will not disappear and will not become a surface. The concrete presence of the thing, is something that seems to be problematic. So I think that there's something that's very related to your work in this difficulty to take it out of something. So the surface you put beside and distance you make to the wall.
If it sticks out of the wall, it's a completely different story. It makes some sense. But not sticking nail to a surface.
So I see a relation to what you are doing in your own work. But I see also the difficulty you have with all the sculpture of the feet. It is quite the same problem you have, that they are there, they're concretely in space, and they are not surface stopped on a halfway.
So we are at the end with unclear signs.
With unclear signs and unclear future. That's normal.
Then we just have to clear it up.
Clear it up, the question, which is what is the last image?
But it's a good image because I can't hear myself talking anymore. I'm completely empty. I certainly need 5 beers in the airplane. Okay. I have to thank you. It's very exciting, very nice. And I hope he keeps me informed with a little CD, with a little postcard. If it's helpful or even if it disturbs, it helps. So that it's not just for nothing. We shouldn't throw 3 days away. And thank you for the stay and force me to come here.
So thank you for coming.
Yes.